In this tutorial, we'll be learning how to render out our completed 4D sequence to video. Let's start by loading up our completed 4D sequence. Navigate to the Screenshot and Cinematic Controls subtab located under the Scene Controls tab, and click on the Take Cinematic button to enter cinematic mode. Click on your first keyframe to activate it. At the upper right, click on the Construction Cinematic Controls tab. Here you will find the construction timeline and phase filter controls. Adjust your camera position and move the timeline slider to the desired state. If you do not want the day-night cycle to animate with your timeline, be sure the Fixed Sun Position box is checked. This will lock the sun's position to the current time of day. Once your sequence time and camera position are set, click the Append New Node icon above your keyframe to set the node. A thumbnail of your current state will appear. Next, click on another empty node. Please note that at the default zoom settings, the frames are set to 1 second apart. Adjust to a new camera position, move your slider to the next desired 4D time state, and click the Append New Node icon above your new keyframe. Repeat these steps as necessary. To create a hard transition to a new scene, set your preceding camera position and 4D state, then click the Add Cut Node icon located to the right of the Append New Node icon. A split thumbnail will appear. Click the second half of the thumbnail to activate the second half of your cut node. Adjust to a new camera position and slide your 4D timeline to another desired state. Then, click the Retake Selected Node icon above your keyframe. Notice that only the second half of the cut node thumbnail has changed. Repeat the previous steps to append new nodes and cut nodes to achieve your desired results. To review your progress, select a node to start from and click the Preview Cinematic button. Note that when the progress indicator reaches the middle of a cut node, the scene jumps directly to the second position and state of the cut frame. Press the Preview Cinematic button again to stop the playback. To save your progress for later use, or for transfer into a different version of your project, navigate to the General Cinematic Controls tab. Click the Save Movie Project icon to save out your Fuser Movie Project file. To render out your movie, click the Render Cinematic button. Adjust your controls to the desired settings, then click the Save button and select a location to save your rendered video. Fuser will now render out your 4D movie.